Good morning, students. Now, today we will take accountancy. In that, let us start chapter number 3, that is Introduction to Goods and Service Tax. Right? That means simple meaning of that is GST. Up till now, you have heard so many times that GST. Right? Wherever you go, GST is applicable, GST is calculated. But what GST exactly is? So that we are going to learn in this chapter, right? Because we are learning accountancy, so it is mandatory and compulsory for us to know about the GST, right? That's why this is a new chapter that is introduced in your textbook. Otherwise, in your previous textbook, the third chapter was the journal. So now it is the journal is the fourth chapter. Before knowing journal, now you know that calculation of goods and service tax, right? Now, what exactly GST means? That GST means, now see, uh, GST tax. Which GST is nothing but a tax, right? It is a one kind of tax that we have to give to the government, which is applicable on supply of goods and services. GST is applicable on the supply of goods and services, right? So that tax is called as GST. The GST is nothing but a tax applicable on goods and services. Now GST is implemented in 2017 in the India across the country, right? इंडिया में ये 2017 में एप्लीकेबल बना. दिस इज़ मैंडेटरी रिक्वायरमेंट. मीन्स मैंडेटरी मीन्स कंपल्सरी. Each one has to pay GST to meet the why GST is applicable, because to meet the economic needs of the country. GST is applicable because of the needs of the economic country. Government has introduced this one tax only. This is a one tax. Each one has to pay this tax only. Before application of GST, there were two types of taxes government were imposing, that were direct taxes and indirect taxes. Now what is the direct tax? Direct tax are means ki the taxes which is directly calculated. They are sales tax, excise duty, custom duty. And indirect tax means value added tax, purchase tax, sales tax, right? Entertainment tax. All these are indirect taxes. So people have to pay so many taxes to the government. So now government has removed all these taxes. So direct and indirect taxes becomes now GST. People has to pay only one tax, that is GST. Each one has to pay only GST. That's it, right? Now there are 5 forms of GST. First one, that is CGST. What is CGST? That's Central Goods and Service Tax. SGST, State Goods and Service Tax. See, central means we have to pay to the government, राइट? भारत सरकार को हमें ये देना है. दिस इज़ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट सेंट्रल GST. मीन्स हम गुजरात में रहते हैं तो गुजरात का GST हमें एप्लीकेबल लगेगा. यूनियन टेरेटरी GST. इफ़ वी आर लिविंग इन अ यूनियन टेरेटरी, देन वी हैव टू पे दिस. Then integrated goods services, and then GST. Last one, that is GST. So we have to follow this only. What is the meaning of GST? Different taxes and central government and state government are withdrawn, and goods and services are covered under one tax. ये टैक्स है, टैक्स under one tax. So this tax is known as goods and services tax. So government has removed so many taxes and government has imposed only one tax, that is the GST, right? Now all these I have written from the textbook only, so you just read all these points from the textbook. Now let us see the features of GST. Our first feature is that this is one tax, one nation one tax. गवर्नमेंट ने ये रूल दिया, ये एक स्लोगन दिया था, वन नेशन वन टैक्स. मीन्स सबको एक ही टैक्स एप्लीकेबल होगा. सो वन टैक्स, वन नेशन वन टैक्स. दैट वन टैक्स, दैट इज GST. टैक्स कलेक्शन ऑन सप्लाई, राइट? Now this is imposed on the goods and services supply. Then tax council. Government has framed the one council on the GST. That council is taking care of the rules and regulations. Then GST rates. GST rates remain same for each and everyone living in India, right? Then import and GST. Whatever we whatever import we are doing, right? फॉर एग्जाम्पल बाहर से कोई गुड्स आ रहा है उसके ऊपर भी कितना जीएसटी लगेगा, दैट ऑल्सो विल बी डिसाइडेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. सो वट एवर वी import from the outside the country, on that goods also GST is applicable. Then input tax credit. Now input tax credit means कि this GST also increases the credit of the business, right? Okay, each one has to pay only one tax, so each one, it is compulsory for all to pay. So credit of the country is also increases. Now next one, that is tax distribution. Tax distribution means कि all this government collects this GST, and that GST, that money is distributed properly and evenly in the country, so that the infrastructure of the country can become more effective. Then tax determination. Tax determination means now it becomes easy for the government to determine that how much tax that country can collect from the people. Then predetermined tax rate structure. Now government predetermine the tax rates of the GST rates. Each one has to pay that taxes only. Now 5 GST Act. हमने आगे देखा that 5 ये वाले 5 GST forms. So government has prepared 5 GST forms. Whatever is applicable to us, that we have to pay. Then uniformity. Each taxes is uniform, right? And it is